CNC proudly presents the JWOO Art 250 Plus CNC Turning Machine, your ultimate solution for precision machining. Equipped with an 8-station turret, this high-performance lathe ensures faster tool changes, improved efficiency, and unmatched accuracy in every operation. Built for durability and reliability, the ART 250 Plus is designed to handle complex components with ease, reducing cycle time and maximizing productivity. Whether you're in automotive, aerospace, or general engineering, this CNC machine is engineered to meet your demands. Upgrade your workshop with cutting-edge technology. Choose JWOO Art 250 Plus today.